Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Scoot, aka Scooter, and I am a toy and Tamagotchi collector, so it's no introduction. And I'm just gonna get straight to the point. Today we will be unboxing another Tamagotchi. This is going to be my third and last meets, because I have one meets sweets and one meets fairy, and I think that is quite enough. Okay, so the boxes, they shipped it in a how do I say, in a cat food box, which was unexpected. I can't seem to find my cutting knife, however, so we just have to do with these scissors. I'm just gonna, oh my god, saw my way through. Oops. Just gonna saw my way through the box, and hopefully I don't. Oops. Oh my god. Okay. Hopefully, I was about to say hopefully I don't do anything that messes it up, but as always I do. So let's just take it apart. Oh, there it is. That's it. Okay. Okay, so here it is. Oh, here it is. It is very beautiful in pink. Wait, hold on. Let me get my other two over here. Okay, so I do have these three in total, and it's time to stop because I've been spending a lot of money on Tamagotchis, and I have a problem. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, it's new in box. It's completely sealed. I didn't know that. I didn't see it in the picture. I think this is the Amazon Japan sticker. Yay! So I have gotten the Tamagotchi sweets also new in box. So I opened it myself, and now I'm going to open the Tamagotchi Meets Magic on my own. I do have a fairy, but I prefer the magic version because I love the design with the black more, and I absolutely despise the Tamagotchi sweets. So yeah, let's just open it. I have to be careful with scissors because they're really imprecise. Okay, come on. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, the sides. How could I be this stupid? I ruined the box. Okay. Now we're talking. Oh my god. Oh, it's so pretty. The manual. I'm not gonna open these. Let's keep it sealed. And here it is. It's sealed. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love the pink. It's just, it's way prettier than the blue. Even though this one is also really pretty, for some reason I really hate the shell design on the sweets. I don't really like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to open this without hurting myself, because last time was a hassle. So let me just talk more about myself. So my name is Scooter. Not really, it's a nickname I use online. So my nickname is Scooter, and I'm 21 years old. I live in Germany, and I love collecting Tamagotchis. Oh my god, here it is. Oh, it is so juicy. It is so pretty. god, I just have to like look at it up close myself. Oh, it's so beautiful. I am in love. I am in love. I have this with me right now. I have an ID. Oh, I didn't have a screen protector, so I put tape on it. Let me know if it's harmful to put tape on your VPad screens, because I did not have any screen protectors, and I didn't just want to use it without one. So yeah, it's so pretty. I've got some batteries here. Varda batteries. They last so long. It's just, so these are the recharge versions. They last so long. It's unbelievable. I do have some, oops, I also use Amazon Basics rechargeable batteries. So I use different brands of rechargeable batteries, even some, you know, cheaper ones. Okay, I definitely need a case for this. Let me get everything prepared. What's in here? I don't know. Oh, my mix. We're getting evicted. I really do love the mix. However, I'm not a huge fan of the games in this Tama, and it's just so hard to earn money and sustain your Tamagotchi. So to open it, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy Tab S Pen. It has a metal nib, so just, let's hope the Bluetooth function works well on these, because for some reason the Bluetooth connectivity on my Sweets is perfect, but my Blue Meets Fairy does not want to connect at all. Like 1 out of 20 tries it will connect, but that's it. Really, it's just beautiful. Oh, I actually do not know the time and date right now, which is a bummer. Today is the 1st of February. I had, no, it's definitely, let's say 1 p.m. because I just got out of work. That's me. I always have to check it because I'm not used to this. 20th December is my birth date. Yay! What's my name? Oh no, no. What is my name? I really hate it. Oh, I did it wrong. Okay. I usually go with this as my name. So when they're like, oh, and so when they're like mad or something, I chose the emoji and not the stupid name. I love the black designs with the stars. It just looks much cleaner and neater. It doesn't really clash with the white on the rainbows. Oh my god, here it is. Yay! I'm so happy because I've gotten the Meets Fairy and the Sweets. I paid so much for the Sweets. I paid 75 euros for the Sweets. It was unbelievable, and I really don't understand what had gotten into my mind and made me actually buy this for so much money. I guess because I wanted to have like one of each, like one of each series, like the fairy and the magical, then we have the pastel, then we have the Wonder Garden or Fairy Tale, and then we have the Sweets. Oops. And I was just stupid and dumb, and I regret buying it. But yeah, this is it. It's very pretty. Like the boxes are like a reason enough. And we've gotten a little boy. Oh, very cute, very adorable. Okay, sorry, my camera just cut off. I don't know why, but we're back. And I put it in this yellow case that I made a while ago. So yeah, we have this little boy, and we'll just be doing the most usual thing ever. Is the first thing you do is you feed your Tamagotchi. I'm so in love with the pink color. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna speed run this. Okay. Next, I'm giving it some cookies. 3. I always do that, and then I just go ahead and give it the teddy bear. I love this. It's just so cute. Oh, it's still sad. Why? I'm giving you the bear. You should be happy. Be happy. Okay, no, he's good. So yeah, this was my unboxing of the Tamagotchi Meets Magical. I do have some really interesting Chinese V-Pets coming in soon, so if you want to see them, feel free to like and subscribe, or I don't know, if you want to talk about Tamagotchis or V-Pets, I'm open to really any conversation and making friends. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm saying until then.